Multinomial Naive Bayes. Multinomial Naive Bayes uses simple multinomial distribution instead of Gaussian distribution used with naive Bayes model. The multinomial distribution can describe the probability of observing counts among several categories. Therefore, it is most appropriate for features that represent counts or count rates. Multinomial naive Bayes is widely used in text classification, where the features are related to word counts or frequencies within the documents to be classified. For example, we will use the sparse word count features from the 20 news groups corpus to classify these documents into categories. Let's download the data and take a look at the target names. Here are some entries from the data. To use this data for machine learning, we need to convert the content of each string into a vector of numbers. For this, we will use the term frequency inverse document frequency vectorizer method. Now we will create a pipeline to attach it to a multinomial naive Bayes classifier. This pipeline now can be used for model training and predict labels for the test data. We have predicted the labels for the test data. We can now evaluate the model performance. This figure shows a confusion matrix between the true and predicted labels for the test data. This model pipeline can be used to determine the category for any string. Using the predict method of this pipeline with this utility function. Thanks for watching.